Good day. Okay, so I'm going to do a short discussion around consistency, and I can tell you I still have a lot to learn about consistency. Sorry, I'm just getting something out on my phone here. This is my Garmin app, and I so love badges. You'll see those badges that I have on Garmin. I pursue every badge, but helps me a lot on consistency as well. On the spiritual side of my life, I read the Bible, I think, on the YouVision app about 11 plus times, and that is just consistent daily reading. My family side, I really need improvement. I'm not that consistent in spending time with my family. But then, yeah, there's other areas on your life, and that is. But on the career side, I just want to share with you what I did, um, or a practical example. In my book, Freedom Through Health Creation, I actually put my book into ChatGPT and I ask her, how many times in my book do I mention consistency, or being consistent? Okay, so total mentions 19 times. Just in short, chapter 1, small consistent steps. Chapter 4, dedication to consistent action. Chapter 6, consistent exercise routine. Chapter 10, the key is consistency. Chapter 21, principle of focus, consistency and faith, and consistently improving. Chapter 22 is Kaizen, small consistent steps. Chapter 28, consistent, intentional, and massive action. Chapter 29, massive consistent action and small consistent efforts compound over time. Oh, that chapter is actually so, um, I don't have a word. I want to say divine, but it's not divine. That's a great message. Okay, chapter 30, consistent progress. Chapter 35, build a stable, consistent income. Chapter 40, consistency is the key that will eventually unlock success, and consistent weight training. And chapter 44, consistency, review your goals daily and stay consistent. Chapter 45, consistent small steps and the power of consistency. Okay, so you can see in my book, I did a lot of work around consistency. But let me just show you in our business, how can it also help you to be consistent. So I'm going to share screen, and this is our um, Nova. This is, I can call it a CRM in our business. And as I love badges, we brought in badges on on Nova as well. And so in your weekly work that you do, there's certain goals that we have. I also have a monthly goal, but this is your consistent steps that you need to do every week to get a badge. And I love badges, so I'm going to apply this consistency on my business as well. So if you are a salesperson, you will know that you need to have certain goals. You have to talk to an amount of people per day. And for me, the great thing about our product, I don't make sales. I help people to activate to to get cash back on their fuel, groceries, dining out, and e-hailing. And then I also help them to start a business. And it's actually like buying a franchise, because in that membership that you pay, it is more than cashback. We take you through personal development. We help you with your goals. You've got your own CRM system in it with your business, show you exactly what to do. But yeah, that was now selling, eh? But for my team members, please look at this. I need to have daily consistent logins into my CRM. So on day 5 now, it is Friday. So tomorrow and the day after, I need to log in on a daily basis, sign-ups, and that is just people that register on the app. They didn't do a membership yet. So you can see that we help the team and obviously myself as well to get at least one registration per day. And that is 7 out of 7. I went a bit overboard, but I love that. I always under promise and over deliver on myself. So you see that I've got 42 signups and it is only Friday now. Activations, I need some assistant there. So me, myself, and I is going to have a meeting after this and that activations must pick up. Then we've got a Tuesday Zoom. That is where we get all the training, all the information, the latest information, the latest updates. And I must make sure that I'm on the Tuesday Zoom. And then my team. How many of my team members are on the Zoom? You can see you only need 3 team members per Tuesday on a Zoom. I went a bit overboard, so I had 23 of my personal team members. That is people that I personally brought into the business. And then we are also bringing merchants on board, businesses on board on our app. If you are in the business, this is a great place to be. Talk to me. Let me help you to get your merchant on board. It's going to cost you absolutely nothing to get onto our app. All that we ask from you is we have got over 100,000 people already on our databases that we're going to put your business in front of them. We just ask a discount or a cashback or a voucher or anything, but you and I can discuss that. But how cool is that? And this is how I help myself and my team to get our badges, but the badge is actually just the carrot in front of me. I want my badge. So, Jesse, this one is for you. Show me your badge. Show me your badge. That's an inside joke. I can do a video later and I just tell you about that joke. But, oh yeah, send me a PM and I'll send you the joke. But ladies and gentlemen, this is how easy it is. And for our team members, just listen to this video again and make sure that you do your daily steps, your daily actions. And all of a sudden, you've got a weekly badge. And for me, the badge is just a carrot. At the end of the day, I want you to, number one, improve personally, and also your income improves. Okay, so this activations is my personal activations. I've got a team of salespeople or marketers that works around the country that also do the same thing and actually more. You won't believe, but there's people that outwits me on a weekly basis, and I love it. I want it. I want people to do better than me. So go out there. Remember the word consistent. If you haven't bought my book yet, Freedom Through Wealth Creation, send me a private message. I'll send you the link and get that book. I'll show you how to be consistent on all 7 areas of your life. Have a great day. I'm going to stop share now. And then I'm going to say stop recording. Be blessed.